Taking a look at this MTV Throwback music party game. It's pretty cool. It's essentially a music trivia game from the 80s, so nobody's going to complain about that. Ages 14 and up, I guess 14-year-olds are going to know about that. It says 4 players. I think you could play with, make your own rules. But essentially it says be the first team to collect at least one artist card from all these categories. I'm not going to get into the rules. You can play it how you want. I like games that give you the opportunity to play them in different ways. So you get a cool game board. There's a button. There's like a timer button. And then you get all these cards. And that's really the star of the show. So you've got head-to-head competitions. You get trivia. You get fill in the blanks. Videos. A lot of it is name, the first one to name a video by something, the first one to name a song with a giraffe in the lyrics. So it's a lot of fun for people that like music trivia and are looking for some 80s nostalgia. Hope this helps.